Venture into the shadowy depths of sausage production, where the enticing aroma of your favorite grilled delight conceals unsettling truths. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the factory floor, revealing how millions of sausages are crafted, processes that might make your stomach turn. From mysterious ingredients sourced from leftover scraps to methods prioritizing efficiency over aesthetics, the journey from farm to fork is filled with culinary disquiet. Imagine machinery grinding down less than pristine cuts of meat, mixed with additives that mask their origins, all for flavor. The quick-paced assembly lines and blending of spices contribute to a product that's as much about survival in the marketplace as taste. So, grab your snack, if you dare, and prepare to uncover the disgusting secrets of sausage manufacturing. This is not just a behind-the-scenes tour. It's a raw look at the hidden processes that challenge everything you thought you knew about your sausage. Every year, a staggering 20 billion sausages are consumed in the United States, and one factory alone produces an eye-watering 300,000 sausages every hour. But the truth behind these popular links is not as delicious as you might think. These sausages are crafted from leftover meat scraps, using parts of animals that would otherwise go to waste. A blend of pork, beef, and chicken is mixed, incorporating bits that remain after premium cuts like fillets and pork ribs are taken. This process transforms what many would consider unworthy into something edible, blending these unappealing remnants into a uniform mixture. So, the next time you enjoy a sausage, remember the surprising journey it took from unsightly scraps to a favorite meal, revealing a behind-the-scenes look at how we turn leftovers into a beloved treat. The sausage-making journey begins with the butcher carefully choosing specific cuts of leftover meat, often the unwanted scraps from more premium selections. He loads these pieces into a powerful automatic grinder, a noisy machine that transforms the meat into a finely ground mixture. As it roars to life, the grinder forces the meat through 3 large openings, turning it into a messy, sludgy paste that will eventually become sausages. The whole process is both fascinating and unappetizing, revealing the hidden world of food production. As the machine churns, it creates an odd blend of textures and sounds, leaving behind a mix that's hard to ignore. By partially freezing and then thawing the pork belly, the meat processor ensures it retains its ideal firmness, which is crucial for optimal processing. This technique involves chilling the meat to a specific temperature, just below freezing, allowing it to firm up without becoming completely solid. This semi-frozen state makes the meat easier to handle and prevents it from falling apart during grinding. As the pork belly is introduced to the grinder, the increased firmness helps maintain the structure of the meat, allowing it to pass through the blade smoothly. This prevents the meat from becoming mushy, which can occur if it is too warm or soft. The leftover scraps are processed like ground beef for hamburgers, passing through a metal plate with numerous holes that finely mince the meat into tiny pieces. This technique is highly efficient, as it ensures that every part of the pork belly is utilized, transforming what could easily be considered waste into a valuable ingredient for sausage making. As the grinder operates, the pork belly is subjected to intense mechanical action, breaking it down into small morsels. This process creates a thick, cohesive mixture that's ideal for sausage production. The precision of the grinder allows for consistent sizing of the meat particles, which is crucial for achieving a uniform texture in the final product. By maximizing the use of leftover meat, this approach not only reduces waste, but also contributes to sustainability in food production. The thick mixture formed during grinding serves as a base that can easily absorb spices and other ingredients, ensuring that the flavor is evenly distributed throughout the sausages. This meticulous attention to detail in the grinding process enhances both the quality and the overall appeal of the final product, making it a cornerstone of efficient sausage manufacturing. Processed scraps and food starch are mixed into the ground meat to enhance its texture. A selection of spices, such as pepper, paprika, nutmeg, and salt, is carefully prepared to help mask the stronger flavors of the leftover pork. Once the spices are ready, they are blended with the ground meat, creating a savory filling for the sausages. This thoughtful combination not only adds depth, but also cleverly conceals any unpleasant taste from the scraps. It transforms what might be seen as undesirable into a delicious mixture, ensuring that every bite is flavorful and satisfying. This method proves that even leftover ingredients can become something truly enjoyable with the right seasoning. Sodium nitrate is added to the mixture as a preservative. It helps prevent the growth of bacteria and gives the meat a distinctive cured flavor. This addition not only enhances the taste, but also ensures that the sausages stay safe to eat for a longer time. By using sodium nitrate, the process creates a delicious product that's both flavorful and preserved, making it a key ingredient in sausage making. A splash of light corn syrup is added to introduce a subtle sweetness to the mixture, balancing the savory notes of the meat and spices. This sweetener enhances the overall flavor profile, giving the sausages a rich taste that appeals to a wide range of palates. Additionally, the corn syrup contributes to the sausages' moisture retention during cooking, preventing them from drying out and ensuring a juicy bite. Its natural sweetness also helps to mask any stronger, less desirable flavors from the meat scraps, making the final product more palatable. Water is blended into the mixture to enhance the integration of all ingredients. This step is crucial for achieving the proper consistency, as it helps dissolve spices and evenly distribute flavors throughout. Once the water is added, the mixture is transferred to a large mixer where the blending process occurs. The mixing is performed with careful attention and precision, utilizing specialized equipment designed to maintain optimal temperature and prevent overprocessing. This controlled environment helps preserve the meat's natural fats and juices, which are essential for both flavor and texture. The mixer ensures that every component, meat, spices, sweeteners, and water, is thoroughly combined, resulting in a uniform mixture that is manageable for further processing. This meticulous approach ensures that the final sausage filling adheres to high-quality standards. The blended meat from the mixer is transferred into a large tub before being loaded into a filling machine. This machine is designed to produce a smooth emulsion while effectively removing any air pockets. This meticulous process guarantees that the filling is uniformly mixed and maintains a consistent texture, preparing it perfectly for stuffing into casings. The result is a well-prepared mixture that is ready for the next stage. The machine is filled with a tube of sausage casing made from bovine collagen, which is safe to eat. As the meat mixture is pumped into the casing, it is twisted every 13 centimeters to create separate sausages. This precise twisting helps ensure that each sausage holds its shape and contains the right amount of filling. Remarkably, this entire process takes just 35 seconds to produce a continuous link of sausages, demonstrating the efficiency of the equipment. The result is a uniform batch of sausages that are ready for cooking or packaging, showcasing the perfect blend of speed and quality in sausage production. Once they are formed, these links are carefully moved to a hanging conveyor belt. This belt supports the sausages, preserving their shape and preventing any distortion as they wait for the next phase of production. This system not only ensures uniformity in size, but also allows the sausages to hang freely, which is important for even cooking and proper drying later on. Each link is crafted with precision, reflecting the efficiency of the entire sausage-making process. The next phase is an exciting blend of fermentation, smoking, and drying. The sausages are carefully removed from the hanging belt and transferred to a specialized chamber designed for thermal processing. In this controlled environment, the humidity and temperature are elevated to a cozy 25 degrees Celsius. This transformation not only enhances the sausage's rich flavors, but also improves their texture, setting the stage for the delicious final product. It's a crucial step that infuses each sausage with character and depth, preparing them for the journey ahead. This stage prevents harmful bacteria from forming while developing a delightful fermented flavor. It takes 14 hours to achieve the ideal level of acidity. During this period, the smoke generator, filled with maple wood chips, is turned on. As the temperature rises, the meat cooks thoroughly, and the smoke infuses the casing, enriching the sausages with flavor. They are then baked for an hour and a half at 70 degrees Celsius. This meticulous cooking process imparts a unique color and robust taste to the sausages, making them truly exceptional. Once the sausages are freshly removed from the oven, they are promptly immersed in very cold salt water to lower their temperature. This quick cooling process not only helps to halt the cooking, but also preserves their texture and flavor. The cold salt water bath ensures that the sausages maintain their quality, preventing any unwanted bacteria from developing. After a brief soak, they are ready to be packaged, sealing in all the deliciousness for future enjoyment. The peeling happens efficiently and gently, maintaining the integrity of the sausages while removing any outer layer. This rapid process allows for quick handling and prepares the sausages for their final presentation, ensuring they look fresh and inviting for customers. Each sausage emerges perfectly shaped, ready to be packaged, and enjoyed by eager consumers. The attention to detail guarantees quality and visual appeal. The sausages are meticulously placed into durable plastic bags specifically designed to keep them fresh and secure. Once inside, the bags are sealed tightly to prevent any air from entering, which helps maintain their quality and flavor. This precise packaging method ensures that the sausages remain protected from external contaminants and moisture until they are ready for distribution. Each bag is also labeled for easy identification, providing important information such as expiration dates and ingredients. This attention to detail in the packaging process plays a crucial role in preserving the sausage's integrity and extending their shelf life, ensuring that they reach consumers in optimal condition. Once sealed, the sausages go through a metal detection system that checks for any foreign objects that might have accidentally entered the packaging. This important step helps ensure food safety by catching any contaminants before the products leave the facility. The detection system carefully scans each package, making sure that only high-quality sausages are processed for sale. This careful method shows a strong commitment to safety and reliability in food production. The system is designed to find even tiny pieces of metal, protecting against potential dangers. Finally, the packaged sausages undergo freeze drying. This method removes moisture while keeping their flavor and texture intact, allowing them to become shelf-stable and easy to store. In the freeze-drying process, the sausages are exposed to very low temperatures, causing the water content to evaporate without cooking the meat. The end result is a product that retains its original taste and quality, making it ready for distribution and use whenever necessary. This technique also prolongs shelf life and minimizes the need for preservatives, facilitating easier transportation and storage. As we've explored, the process of sausage production in a factory may not be as palatable as many might imagine. From repurposing leftover meat scraps to the detailed methods of grinding, mixing, and packaging, each stage reveals the intricate journey behind the creation of millions of sausages. These efficient practices can be surprising and even somewhat unsettling. This behind-the-scenes look emphasizes the importance of knowing where our food originates and the industrial methods that shape it. The meticulous handling, processing, and preservation techniques, while often lacking in glamour, play a vital role in ensuring that these products are safely delivered to consumers. So, the next time you grab a sausage, take a moment to reflect on the complex journey it has taken before reaching your plate. Thank you for delving into the less appealing aspects of sausage production with us. Your understanding of these processes is crucial for making informed decisions about what we consume.